What is going on, all my beautiful people? So, some people have been asking me for a little while to make a YouTube channel, independent of, me helping Steven. I have the black Jetta that some of you may know that I picked up in California for $1,500. I get the car and I start fixing things. The main problem is that I was chasing a water leak and got to a point where I was down to replacing the water pump. Previous owner had replaced the water pump, and they actually screwed it up pretty bad. I have to take the head off. I've either got to replace the head or I've got to fix it, and I'm gonna attempt to fix it first. So that's where we're at now. First thing though, when I bought my Mark 7 GTI, I pushed the Jetta down to the fence line. So I've got to get that back up here. All right, I'm going to pause right here and apologize because my neighbor decided to cut a tree down. And, we'll just go through here. I'm taking the fuel rail off. And we're going to switch to me not showing where I'm taking the bolts out. So here, after I get this harness out, we're going to go in and pop the intake manifold off, and then pull in the coil pack. And do the injector harness here, or the coil pack harness. Pull in the support for the intercooler piping off, and the shielding that goes behind the head there to shield from the turbo. Then we're going to get the valve cover off. Then there's these little plastic cam caps, and then from that we're going to pull the head off. Alright everybody, I'm going to end the video there. We got the head off. I've done a couple of things since then, but I will catch you up in the beginning of the next video. Big surprises, basically. So this has kind of turned from a rescue of this engine to yeah, you'll find out. So I hope you liked it. Sorry it was kind of meh. I'm getting better on my editing and everything. Neighbors interrupted me with sound. I don't have a shop here, so that sucks. I'm doing it outside, and honestly, not a whole lot of space. There's this back room is where we keep our cardboard and kind of miscellaneous crap, and there's no real place to store everything. So yep, hopefully you liked it. Hopefully you'll give me a follow, and I'll get this video out. And here within, I don't know, the next week, I'll have another one out of this update. So thank you guys. Have a good one.